Umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng usumemezele ukuvulwa kwenkundla yokubhalisa nge-internet kwabafundi bebanga lokuqala kanye nebanga lesishiyagalombili grade 8 okuzovulwa mhla zingu-5 ku-August kuze kuvalwe mhla zingu-4 kuSeptemba kuwo lo nyaka. Ungqongqoshe wezemfundo eGauteng uLebogang Mayile ukhuthazeka abazali kanye nalabo abagada abantwana ukuthi-ke besheshe bebhalise bethumele amaphepha afanele bephinde-ke besebenzise iy'nkundla ey'hlinzeka ngosizo kulo mnyango lapho kufanele khona. Umnyango-ke wengeza ngokuthi izikhungo ezingu-48 okuzobe kubhaliswa noma ngathi-ke okuzobe kubhalisa kuzo abahamba ngey'nyawo kanye-ke nezikole zikahulumeni bazobe bekhona ukuhlinzeka ngosizo kubazali kuze-ke kuphele isikhathi sokubhaliswa kwabafundi.
Ivulwe ngokusesikweni inkqubo yokufakwa kwezicelo zokufunda zonyaka ozayo zebanga lokuqala nelesibhozo ukuqala ngomhla wesi-5 kwinyanga ezayo. Oku kubhengezwe ngumphathiswa wezemfundo eGauteng uLebogang Mayile ngethuba lendibano namajelo eendaba, nalapho ebuye wamemelela abazali ukuba bafake izicelo zabo kwangethuba.
We are pleased to announce that applications for admission to grade 1 and grade 8 for 2027 academic year will officially open at 8 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, 5 August 2026 and close at 12 midnight on Friday, 4 September 2026. During this period, all parents and legal guardians seeking placements for learners entering grade 1 or grade 8 at the public school in Gauteng must submit their applications exclusively through the Gauteng online admission system.
Ukuqinisekisa ukuba wonke ubani uyaxhamla kule nkqubo, isebe lezemfundo lithi linamaziko angama-48 aza kuncedisa. Lisoleka ngelithi nazo zonke izikolo zikarhulumente kwiphondo jikelele ziza kuncedisa de ivalwe inkqubo yobhaliso.
We encourage every parent and legal guardian to apply as early as possible, submit authentic supporting documents, follow every step of the application process carefully, and make full use of the department's official support services whenever assistance is required. Together, through honesty, partnership, and responsible participation, we will continue strengthening public confidence in our education system while ensuring that every learner is afforded the opportunity to learn, grow, and realize their full potential.
Elisebe lithi lisaqhubeka ukuyiphucula le nkqubo nangokusebenzisana nabathathi inxaxheba abohlukeneyo. Kwiindaba zaSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka, eGoli.